ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఎస్ఎస్సి స్టెనోగ్రఫీకి సంబంధించి ఇండియన్ హిస్టరీలో యాన్షియంట్ హిస్టరీలో కొన్ని బిట్స్ తెలుసుకుందాము. హూ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ రూలర్ అండ్ ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ హర్యంక డైనస్టీ? ఆప్షన్స్: ఏ అజాతశత్రు, బి బింబిసార, సి ఉదయన్, డి నాగదశక. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ బి, బింబిసార. నెక్స్ట్, which of the following Mahajanpadas emerged as the most powerful at the end of a prolonged conflict for supremacy? Options: A Magadha, B Koshala, C Vatsa, D Gandhara. Answer is option A, Magadha. Next, Chandragupta Maurya's capital was. Options: A Nalanda, B Magadha, C Pataliputra, D Vaishali. Answer is option C, Pataliputra. Next, Khajuraho was one of the capitals of which of the following dynasties? Options: A Kalchuri dynasty, B Pratihara dynasty, C Pala dynasty, D Chandela dynasty. Answer is option D, Chandela dynasty. Next, Chandragupta Maurya overthrew which of the following dynasties of ancient India to establish the Mauryan Empire? Options: A Nanda, B Haryanka, C Sunga, D Shishnaga. Answer is option A, Nanda. Next, who among the following was the first independent Gupta king to hold the title of Maharajatiraj? Options: A Ramagupta, B Chandragupta I, C Srigupta I, D Samudragupta. Answer is option B, Chandragupta I. Next, Takshila was the capital of which one of among the following Mahajanpadas of ancient India? Options: A Kuru, B Kasi, C Gandhara, D Avanti. Answer is option C, Gandhara. Next, who was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? Options: A Mahapadmananda, B Dhanananda, C Rashtrapala, D none of the above. Answer is option B, Dhanananda.